Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, you will need your Caterpillar Hearts activity sheet and a blue, green, and pink crayon. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials you need, as well as a pencil. All right, friends, welcome back. Today we're going to continue working on our learning target that says I can add using counting on strategies. So we've been practicing adding and putting groups together to make them bigger than before, except when we add with a zero, then our number stays the same. So today we are going to practice what we practiced yesterday, but it's a little tricky because today we're not going to only add one to each number. You can see that our addition sentences are all mixed up. So we'll still use our number line to help us figure out how to count on from each number to get our sum or our answer. But before we do, let's go ahead and practice recognizing our numbers, and then we'll practice counting just backwards today and take a look at our addition sentences. So ready? Let's name our numbers. Here we go. 14, 12, 11, 8, 10, 19, 20, 15, 5, 7, 16, 1, 3, 2, 18, 17, 13, 9, 6, 4. Very good. Now, let's take a look at counting backwards. So we don't have to look at that, but we're going to do it. So we're going to start all the way at 30 today. So let's go ahead and stand up. We're going to start at 30, and we're going to squish the bugs with our tushies as we do it. Ready? Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Now let's reach for the stars. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now let's do the sprinkler. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Excellent job counting backwards from 30, making our numbers smaller as we do it. Let's give ourselves a roller coaster cheer. Ready? Click, click, click. Woo! Excellent job. All right, now let's take a look at some of our addition sentences to help us practice adding fluently. When we add fluently, that means that we're training our brains to know the answers quickly. So just like we did yesterday, we're going to read the whole sentence and give the answer. Remember, any number that we add with zero stays the same. That makes it easier. Ready? Here we go. 1 add 1 equals 2. 4 add 1 equals 5. 3 add 1 equals 4. 1 add 3 equals 4. 2 add 2 equals 4. 0 add 1 equals 1. 0 add 2 equals 2. 4 add 0 equals 4. 0 add 0 equals 0. 3 add 0 equals 3. Now I want you to notice something about these two addition sentences. These two sentences are what we call turnaround facts. The first one says 3 add 1. All I have to do when I do a turnaround fact is flip-flop the order of the group. So when I have 3 add 1, when I put them together, that equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But my turnaround fact is the exact same answer or sum. But this time my 1 is first and my 3 is next. So I have 1 add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just a little fun fact. All right, so now let's take a look at our addition sentences for today's activity sheet. Today we're going to continue to count on, well, we're going to practice counting on by 2. Okay, so let's review our sentences first. We have 6 add 2 equals blank. 2 add 2 equals blank. 5 add 2 equals blank. 2 add 4 equals blank. 7 add 2 equals blank. 0 add 2 equals blank. 8 add 2 equals blank. 2 add 1 equals blank. 2 add 3 equals blank. All right, now at the bottom we have our color codes. We're going to color lightly so that we can see the numbers and the word. So if our sum or our answer equals 2, it's going to be the color blue. So color your 2, 3, and 4, I should say. Color those numbers blue. Your caterpillars, that are next to the answers 2, 3, and 4 will be blue. Okay. Your answers 5, 6, and 7 will be green. So color those numbers green. And then lastly, your numbers 8, 9, and 10 will be pink. So color those answers pink, or the caterpillars next to those answers pink. All right, so I'm going to do 2 of them together with you. Let's read the first one again together. It says 6 add 2 equals blank. I'm going to find 6 on my number line, and then I'm going to go 2 more spots from it. 1, 2. So what number is 2 greater than 6? 8. So we just found our answer by using the number line and adding 2 more. I can also use my fingers. If I start at 6 and I count on 1, 2, how many fingers am I holding up now? 8. 6 add 2 equals 8. So since my answer is 8, what color do I need to color it? Pink. I'm going to color the caterpillar next to the 8 pink. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to our next sentence. 2 add 2 equals blank. So I'm going to find my 2 across the bottom, and I'm going to go 2 more spaces. 1, 2. So now 2 more than 2 is what? 4. So 2 add 2 equals 4. What color do I need to color the caterpillar to match? Blue. So all of the answers, or the sums that equal 4, would be blue. Does that make sense? I could also use it on my fingers. If I have 2 and I need to go 2 more spots, I put up 2 more fingers. 1, 2. So 2 add 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, so go ahead and complete the rest on your own. When you're finished, post it to your teacher's Google Classroom. Make sure you're answering your sentences with pencil in case you need to erase. Also, at the bottom, I would use pencil so that you can see how many places. You can use lines like I did, or you can just circle, whatever you do. If it gets too busy down there and there's too much pencil mark, you can always erase and start each problem fresh, okay? Great job today, friends. I will see you tomorrow for your next math lesson.